How to change location on Snapchat Maps. So if you want to change location on your Snapchat Maps, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you've opened your Snapchat, now go for the profile, which is on the upper left, and you can simply go for the settings, or you can scroll down, and here you will have your Snap Map. Tap on the Snap Map and it will take you to the location, right? So if you want to change your location, then you won't be able to change your location, but you can simply turn on or turn off your location. But if you want to change your location completely, then you need to simply install the third-party applications. Like, for example, if you open up your Play Store, you can go for the search and then search for fake GPS app. Once you've searched here, you will have all of the fake GPS location tracker or something. You can simply install these fake GPS trackers, and then you can change your location on Snapchat. It's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.